What's up, guys? In today's video we're gonna go over a system that I built that reads all of my email, filters the most important, summarizes them, and then finally sends me a notification on my iOS devices. So if you stick around till the end of the video, you're gonna have an inbox assistant that's gonna save you hours wasted in reading useless emails. But before we start, my name is Brando Campagna, I'm an AI enthusiast, and I'm passionate about helping business owners implementing AI into their business. So if you're a business owner, consider to subscribe to the channel. And if you are an individual who's just learning more about AI, this channel might be also for you. So let's not waste more time and let's get into it. Okay, so we are on Make.com. It's an AI automation platform. If it's your first build, Make.com is super simple to understand and super simple to sign up. And then you're gonna be able to see this dashboard in front of you, and we're gonna click on create a scenario. From here, clicking the plus, we can choose different modules. For this particular build, as said in the intro, we're gonna use Gmail, watch emails, because we're gonna receive different emails and then the trigger should be Gmail. So let's select Gmail, watch emails. And from here, you can create a connection. It's a no-out connection, super simple. You don't need any API keys. So from here, sign in with Google, and then you can choose your Google account from here. I already connected my Gmail, so I can skip this step. I'm already connected. And then from here, first thing, we have to choose or simple filter or Gmail filter. If you wanna trigger all of your emails because you wanna receive the summary from all the emails, you can easily select simple filter. In my case, I'm gonna select Gmail filter, and then here I'm gonna add some keywords that usually are in the email subject from a lead. So in this case, inquiry or request, and then I hit save. Here you can select from now on and save. Nice. So now is going to be the moment for the second module of the system, and the module is going to be OpenAI. OpenAI generate a completion. Generate a completion. AI is going to be the brain for this automation. So when Gmail is triggered from a specific email, Gmail is going to send the email to OpenAI. OpenAI is going to grab the email from Gmail because we're going to map the two modules. OpenAI is going to create a summary for us. And then that summary is going to arrive into our devices, iPhone. First of all, you have to create a connection. So I'm going to show you how to do it. On Google, you can search OpenAI research and deployment. And then from here, you can select developers, start building, OpenAI dashboard. Then you can click on API keys and you're gonna see your API key. If it's your first time, it's gonna ask you to pay between $5, I think, for the activation. And then you're gonna be good to go. You're gonna have your API key. I already have mine. So I'm already connected. Going back on Make, you're gonna see exactly this dashboard in front of you. After creating the connection, you can select the model for the build. We're going to use this model here, GPT-4 0613. So you can select it, and then from here, add messages. Click on add messages, and we can select developer system. And in the context, we can type, please summarize this email for me. And then we're gonna map with full text body, use a concise tone and human. So we can close here. This is gonna be what OpenAI is gonna do for us. And then from here, max output tokens. This is an easy task, and we can select 1000 tokens and save. Nice. So the third module is gonna be Apple. We can select Apple and then send a push notification. What we have to do is to connect our device. You have to go to Apple Store, download Make.com app, and then when you open the app, you're gonna see scan QR code, and you're gonna scan this QR code here. So we're gonna link that device to Make.com, and we can hit save. And then from here, we just need to use a title, and the title can be exactly the title from the email. So in this case is the subject of the email, and then in the body we're gonna choose the result from ChatGPT. The system is done. Now let's test it and let's see if it's working. So I'm gonna go to my email. I already prepared an email from here. Hi Brando, I found your YouTube channel and saw that you build automation system. I run a small e-commerce store that sells some office accessories, and we're starting to get overwhelmed with customer messages. Most of our emails are about order status, shipping delays, returns, product question, and discount requests. So this is a normal email that I can receive from someone. And then I'm going to show you how I receive a summary directly to my iPhone. Nice. So I'm going to send this email and let's see after running the test. So back on Make, we can run the scenario and let's see what happened. So it's not working. Let's run it again. Now, yes. So OpenAI is thinking, and now we have a result. First of all, I want to show you the output from OpenAI. And this is the result. Sarah Johnson, the founder of an e-commerce store named Desk Pro Supply, is seeking assistance in building an AI automation system for handling customer messages. They are overwhelmed with various inquiries and requests, which are currently dealt with manually, making it difficult to manage and prioritize. So that's amazing. So I also received a request on my iPhone that I'm actually using to record the video. So I'm also gonna show you here, you're gonna be able to see a screen record of what the notification looks like on my device. So as you can see, this automation is super simple, but can save you time that you can usually spend in watching emails that usually are not important. So first of all, it's gonna filter the email, generate a summary for you. You can prompt differently the AI with different rules, a different context, depends always on your business. And then AI sent a notification to Make.com to the Make.com app, and it's gonna appear in our iPhone 24 hours a day. Now, last thing can be just to execute automatically this scenario. So I recommend you to turn on every 15 minutes, or because I'm paying for a Make Premium, I can also go for 1 minute, for example. So every minute is gonna scan my email, but if you are on a free plan, you can select from 15 minutes to more, or for example, you can select also once a day in the evening, for example, or in the morning, so you're gonna have the notification ready for that time. So that's all for today's video. You now have an inbox assistant that saves you time that you usually waste in watching emails that are not really important. This system is filtering them and also creating a summary that's arriving directly into your iPhone. So I hope you like this video. Consider to stick around watching my next videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.